Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T2 Pro, and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset or forced restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stops working properly and it does not respond to your touches, etc. After this operation, it should work perfectly fine again. So to do that, to soft reset it, we have to press the power button, which is located right here, and the volume down button together, and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So the combination of keys is similar to the one which will allow you to take a screenshot. You will see that actually. So let me press both of those buttons and keep pressing it all of the time. You have to press it approximately 10 seconds. We just made the screenshot, but that's okay, just ignore it and keep pressing the buttons. Here we've got the black screen, which is good. I felt the vibration. We've got the developer's logo, so we can release the fingers, and in a second our device will be turned on, and as I said, it should work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.